जश्न आज़ादी मुबारक पाकिस्तान।
باكستان زندباد قولي ليش فوق مكانك الترفيلي أمي
I'm Manar from Morocco and I love Pakistan. मेरे हस्बैंड पाकिस्तानी हैं, मेरी बेटी भी पाकिस्तानी है और मैं खुद अब हाफ पाकिस्तानी हो चुकी हूँ. Pakistani people are very friendly and more patriotic than any other nation. Pakistani food और मिठाइयाँ, oh my god, is just amazing. Clothes and accessories are awesome and music just out of this world. मैं 3 मरतबा कराची जा चुकी हूँ and I wish to visit Lahore, Islamabad, Murree, Kagan and Jammu Kashmir with a Pakistani visa, inshallah. Pakistan reminds me of my parents-in-law जो कि अब दुनिया में नहीं रहे और I must say that they were the best parents-in-law that anyone could have. और उनको खोने का बहुत दुख है but Pakistan is still and will always be my second country. Inshallah Pakistan और तरक्की करे. Imran Khan is doing very well. He's doing his best. Just keep supporting him. He is the future of Pakistan. And once again, Jasn Azadi बहुत मुबारक हो to all the Pakistanis. Lots of love to Pakistan. Fi amanillah.